Tonight I am feeling for you under the state of a strange land. You would sacrifice much to be here. Therefore the graces I offer my hand. Welcome home. I bid you welcome. I bid you welcome. Welcome home. From the bottom of my heart. Welcome home. And out here on the edge, the empire is fading by the day, and the world is so weary more, and maybe we'll find that new way. So welcome home. See, I made a space for you now. Welcome home. From the bottom of our hearts. Welcome home. From the bottom of our hearts.
No, I mean, I just think whatever's thrown at them, they can adapt and go, well, we spent quite a long time directly behind them.
Keep it coming now. Keep it coming now.
It's amazing, you know, they can do that.
You'll find most of us here with our hearts wide open. Keep it coming now. Keep it coming on. Keep it coming on. Keep it coming on. There's a woman with her hands trembling high and mine, and she sings with the mountains memory high and mine. There's a cloud before